Hey guys, Dave here. I wasn't going to do a video update for April, but I've been getting a lot of questions over the last week about what exactly is going on with the market right now. And I think the reason I'm getting these questions has more to do with the fact that a lot of people are looking to buy right now, as opposed to there's some big concern about what's going on in the market. So what is happening right now? Well, we had a big run up to the March 18th change of mortgage rules, and this was the mortgage rules where they changed the amortization from 35 years to 30 years maximum. Now, we had a very similar thing happen last year when they changed it from 40 years to 35 years. And we'll probably see it again next year, and they'll probably put it down from 30 years to 25 years next year. The difference between this year and last year, so last year everyone was caught a little bit off guard by it. So when they changed the mortgage rules, there was a big run up, and it caused a big spike in prices. Now this year, when they changed the mortgage rules, all the people who were thinking about selling got their home on the market ASAP. So when the big, a lot of people came through trying to buy, there was more listings this year than there were last year. So while we had a big spike in listings in January and February, we actually had a big spike in sales. Right now, and this is the key, we're actually at a much lower inventory, total inventory of homes available than we were this time last year. We're actually about 20% less, which is significant. So what does this mean? Well, what it means is we won't see the big dramatic price that we saw last year. Last year, if you saw my 2011 predictions, I basically summarized by saying, house prices lost about 15% from April through to the end of December last year. This year, we'll definitely see a trending downward, I think, but we won't see that big, dramatic drop-off. So if you're looking to buy right now, you should feel fairly relaxed that you can find something, you can sort of do it on your own accord, but at the same time, you should know that it won't just, drop off completely. So now is a good time to buy. In fact, it's probably a better time now to buy than it was a month ago. So if you're looking to buy, buy with confidence. If you're looking to sell, just do remember that it's going to be a little slower out there, and you do have to price your home accordingly. If the market is going to continue to trend downward, it's best to get your home priced properly now. So for the rest of the year, how do I start seeing things playing out? Well, like I mentioned, there's probably likely going to be a trending downward, especially for condos. Single-family homes will sort of stay the same. You will hear about median home prices going up, but that's only because we're getting more move-up buyers moving into the market and less first-time home buyers. So don't pay too much attention to that. The one thing that could happen is interest rates. So interest rates are always a big motivator for people to get into the market before interest rates go up. Now, the expectation is that interest rates will go up probably in July. However, the world economy still isn't doing great. Oil prices are really high right now already, and this will sort of slow even economic growth even more. So will interest rates go up in July? Maybe, but maybe not. Right now you'd say they probably will, but they also may not. And especially if interest rates are held off, or interest rate increases are held off until sort of later in the summer, early fall, we could definitely see then another little run if people are trying to get in before interest rates go up. So if that would happen, there'd be another little run, and then probably prices would come down again. So that's kind of how I see things going. It's still a little bit iffy. We don't really know exactly what's going on right now, but those are my best predictions. It's hard to sort of consider what's going on in the world economy and how it relates to Calgary real estate. But that's what you're trying to do here. With that said, guys, the last thing I did want to mention is that if you have people or if you yourself want to buy a home and you don't really feel like you'd qualify at a bank right now, there are definitely other options available that I can discuss with you. I've been working hard to find other options for my clients. So if you know anyone like that, or if that's something you'd be considering, give me a call, send me an email, and very low pressure, I can just sort of tell you what to expect and what options are available to you. Other than that, guys, really appreciate all the support as always. You guys have been great. At this point in time, we get almost 100% of my business from referrals, and I'm not even advertising anymore. So I really do appreciate that. It's really something I take seriously, and I really do appreciate. Any questions, as always, contact me through my website, info@calgarycountryreport.com, or you can get me on my cell, 403-990-1278. Take care, guys. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Thanks a lot.